Nikuza Pidesire. I study in primary 3 class at BBFS Foundation School.
Thank you. My name is Isimbi Kreya. I'm in grade 5 at BBFS Foundation School. We are going to present for you about the framework of bones in our body off screen. I request my friend Desiree to start with the bones of the head.
This is frontal bone.
Frontal bone, nirigufka.
This is parietal bone.
Parietal bone, nirigufka.
This is occipital bone.
Occipital bone, nirigufka.
This is temporal bone.
Temporal bone, nirigufka. Ayo magufwa yose akaba forma cyangwa akaba akora icyo twita scar. Scar ikaba irinda ubwonko bwacu.
This is orbit bone.
Orbit bone nirigufwa y'ijisho.
This is nostril bone.
Nostril bone nirigufwa.
This is maxilla bone.
Maxilla bone nirigufwa.
This is mandible bone.
Mandible bone nirigufwa. Maxilla bone akaba ari upper jaw, mandible bone akaba ari lower jaw. And mandible bone is the only jaw which moves.
Now we are going to see the bones of trunk.
Tugiye kurebera hamwe amagufwa agize igihimba.
This is rib cage.
Rib cage ni amagufwa.
This is clavicle bone.
Clavicle bone ni amagufwa.
This is sternum.
Sternum ni ligufwa.
This is backbone.
Backbone ni ligufwa ry'urutirigongo.
This is scapula.
Scapula ni ligufwa.
This is humerus.
Humerus ni.
This is radius.
Radius ni ligufwa.
This is urina.
Urina ni ligufwa.
This is carpus.
Carpus na magufwa.
This is metacarpus.
Metacarpus na magufwa.
This is pharynges.
Pharynges na magufwa y'intoki.
Now we are going to see the bones of leg.
Tugiye kurebera hamwe amagufwa agize ukuguru.
This is femur.
Femur ni igufwa guhera aha kugera aha. Femur ikaba ari igufwa rirerire mu mubiri.
This is tibia.
Tibia ni igufwa.
This is fibula.
Fibula ni igufwa.
This is tarsus.
Tarsus na amagufwa.
This is metatarsus.
Metatarsus na amagufwa.
This is pharynges.
Pharynges na amagufwa y'ibirenge. Murakoze, ubaye ufite ikibazo wabaza mukagusobanurira.
Ufite ikibazo iri gupfa ko mutari tubwiye riba riri aha ngaha. Patera ngo ni iki ku Kinyarwanda? Patera ntabwo kizi.
Ni igufwa
Ari umufashe.
Ego. Patella is this bone yitwa ingasire y'ivi.
Yaha, urakoze cyane. Ababyeyi niba mufite ikibazo cyo kubabaza mwababaza. Turakira ibibazo nka bibiri. Umumama no kumupapa. Ariko niba mwasobanukiwe neza murabakomera amashuri yigendera. Urakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
I studied in primary 5 at BBFS Foundation School.
Mwaramutse, amazina yanjye nitwa Ingabire Teta Sylvie, nkaba niga mu mwaka wa 5 ku kigo cya BBFS Foundation School.
We are going to present for you about the human digestive system. Some people, they eat food and after a few minutes they want to go to the toilet. But in this project we are going to explain for you the process that
that food take from the mouth to the anus.
Murakoze tugiye kubamurikira ibijyanye n'urungano ngogozi rw'umuntu. Abantu benshi bibwira yuko bararya mu minota mikeya bakajya ku bwiherero. Hano tugiye kubereka uburyo ibiryo binyura. Uyu ni umunwa. Mu munwa harimo amenyo adufasha mu gukanjakanja ibiryo. Rero hano hari igitekwa umuhogo. Umuhogo ukaba uyobora ibiryo ibijyana mu gifu. Iyo ibiryo byamaze kugera mu gifu bijya mu rura rutoya arirwo turi kubona hano. Byamara kujya mu rutoya bikajya mu rura runini. Byamara kujya mu rura runini bigafatirwa hano muri rectum. Iyo byabaye byinshi aribyo twita imyanda bikarekurwa mu ntoya.
Now we are going to explain for you the function of this part that I have shown you. In the mouth, as here seeing in the mouth there is teeth, but up and down there are two glands which are called salivary glands. And salivary glands produce saliva, and saliva contains amylase which break down starch into sugar.
Hano mu munwa harimo uduce tubiri hejuru no hasi ariko twitwa imfubura z'amacandwe. Imfubura z'amacandwe zikaba zikora amacandwe. Amacandwe akaba arimo amirase bifasha umubiri mu kubogora ibinyamafufu.
This is the food pipe. The food pipe drive food into the stomach.
Uyu ni umuhogo icyo muri kubona hano. Umuhogo ukaba ufasha umubiri mu kuyobora ibiryo ibijyana mu gifu.
This is the stomach. In the stomach, as you are seeing here, there are many juices like gastric juice. Also, there is an acid which is called hydrochloric acid, which help us to kill microbes which have come with the food.
Iki ni igifu muri kubona hano. Igifu kikaba kirimo juice. Hakaba harimo juice yitwa gastric juice. Hakaba harimo na acide yitwa hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid ikaba ifasha umubiri mu kwica za microbe cyangwa se imyanda iba yazanye n'ibiryo tuba twariye.
And some people like eating gums or chewing gums. Chewing gums is good, but chewing them for a long time is bad. Because if you chew them for a long time, the stomach produces a lot of hydrochloric acid. And when hydrochloric acid becomes much in the body, it starts destroying the wall of the stomach.
Abantu benshi bakunda kurya shikarete. Kurya shikarete ni byiza pe, ariko kurya shikarete ukazimaraho igihe kinini ukiri kuzirya ni bibi cyane. Kuko iyo uri kurya shikarete cya gifu kiba kiteguye yuko kigiye kuzana n'ibiryo uba wariye, kandi kiba kizi yuko ibiryo uba wariye biba byazananye na microbe. Uko ukomeza ukandakanda shikarete nta kintu uri kumenya. Rero igifu gikomeza gitegura ya hydrochloric acid uko uri kugenda uhekenya. Hydrochloric acid ikagenda iba nyinshi cyane ugasanga abantu benshi bagwaye ibibazo.
And this is the liver. The liver produces bile, and bile digest fat into fatty acid.
Uyu ni umwijima muri kubona hano. Umwijima ukaba ukora bile. Bile ikaba ifasha umubiri mu kugora ibinyamavuta tuba twariye.
And this thing that you are seeing here is called gallbladder. Gallbladder stores bile.
Aka gace muri kubona hano k'icyatsi ni agasabo k'indurwe. Agasabo k'indurwe kakaba kabika bile iba yateguwe n'umwijima.
And this is the small intestine. In the small intestine, there is absorption of nutrients into the blood.
Urunurura rutoya muri kubona hano, urura rutoya rukarufasha umubiri mu gukura ibifasha cyangwa intungamubiri mu biryo.
And this is the large intestine. In the large intestine, there is absorption of water.
Urunini muri kubona urura runini rukaba rufasha umubiri mu gukura amazi mu byo twariye.
This is the rectum. The rectum holds feces before elimination.
Iyo ibiryo byageze mu rura runini biba byahindutse imyanda bigafatirwa no muri rectum.
And when the rectum gets full, the feces immediately goes to the anus, and the anus eliminates them.
Iyo imyanda yamaze kuba myinshi, anasi cyangwa ikibuno cyangwa umwoyo tuhita tubirekura tugashaka kujya ubwiherero. Thank you. Murakoze.
Can we ask you some questions?
But first of all, my name is Donald. I'm the parent of Irga Pritilenora. I explained where the digestive system and my question is. You told us the difference between the large and the small intestine. The small intestine is absorbing nutrients we need in our daily life, and the large intestine is just absorbing water. I would like to know what is the rest of the nutrients, the food we take, and passing it through and where they are going. Thank you very much. Is it the question clear, or can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Thank you very much. I would like to know the function of the large intestine. You told us small intestine is absorbing the nutrients we need in our body, and the large intestine is absorbing only water. What is and where is the destination of the remaining from our foods we took?
The remaining one goes to the rectum, here to the rectum, and be here. And when the rectum gets full, it immediately goes to the anus.
I can help. I think once and water they have to pass in the large intestine, then they to the rectum. Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
Thank you very much, our dear parent. We have another project, project. Murakoze cyane, mureke tubahereza amashi. Sibanyirageje. Batubwiye n'amagambo menshi y'Ikinyarwanda twari tuzi.
My name is Tona Sayefadaricia. I'm in primary 6 here at BBFS Foundation School. Let me also let my colleague introduce himself.
Murakoze, mwaramutse, nitwa Manzi byose ni Miracle, niga muri P6 muri BBFS Foundation School.
So we are going to represent you about human circulatory system, but before that, let me first show you some inner parts that make up human body.
Tugiye kubereka systeme y'uburyo amaraso azenguruka mu mubiri, ariko mbere yabyo tugiye kubanza tubereke ibice bigize n'imbere n'indani mu mubiri wacu.
Here in our neck, we have two pipes. We have food pipe, which drive food into the stomach, and we have wind pipe, which takes air into the lungs.
Hano mu muhogo dufite imiyoboro ibiri. Hari umuyoboro ujyana umwuka mu bihaha, hari n'umuyoboro umanura ibiryo mu gifu.
And when we are swallowing food, while we are eating, the epiglottis closes the windpipe so that food cannot pass in the passage of air. And when we are breathing in or out, the epiglottis closes the food pipe so that the air cannot pass in the passage of food.
Hano mu muhogo hari inyama yitwa ingoto, ifunga umuyoboro w'ibiryo mu gihe umetse umwuka kugira ngo umwuka utayobera mu muyoboro w'ibiryo, hanyuma ugafungura umuyoboro w'umwuka, umwuka waza ukinjiramo. Waba umize ibiryo ugafunga umuyoboro w'umwuka hanyuma ukamira ibiryo.
We have the lungs, left lung and right lung. Lungs are located over here.
Umuntu afite ibihaha bibiri, hari igihaha cy'ibumoso, hari igihaha cy'iburyo, hari n'igihaha cy'ibumoso. Ibihaha biherereye hano.
Between our lungs, there is the heart, which pumps the blood to all parts of our body.
Hagati y'ibihaha hari umutima. Umutima uherereye hano, uruhande rw'ibumoso.
We have the liver,
Ifite umwijima,
the stomach,
hari igifu hasi y'ibihaha,
small and large intestine.
urura runini n'urura rutoya.
So let's go back now on our human circulatory system.
Tugiye gusubira kuri ya sisiteme yacu y'uburyo amaraso azenguruka mu mubiri.
Circulatory system has 3 organs: heart, blood, and blood vessels.
Iyi sisiteme y'uburyo amaraso azenguruka mu mubiri ifite ibice bitatu by'ingenzi. Hari umutima, amaraso ndetse n'imitsi ijyana amaraso.
Before telling you how blood circulates in human body, let me first show you some parts of our heart. Here on the left side, we have pulmonary artery, left atrium, left ventricle, and on the right side we have right atrium, right ventricle. We have also aorta, which is the biggest artery. We have pulmonary artery. We have superior and inferior vena cava.
Umutima wacu ufite ibice bine. Uruhande rw'ibumoso rukorana n'amaraso afite oxygen, amaraso meza. Hanyuma uruhande rw'iburyo rukorana n'amaraso afite carbon, amaraso yanduye. Hanyuma ku ruhande rw'ibumoso iki gice cyitwa left auricle, iki kikitwa left ventricle, iki gice kikitwa right kuko ari iburyo, right auricle, iki ngiki kikaba right ventricle. Hanyuma iyi ni pulmonary artery, ni umutsi w'umujyana ujyana amaraso ku bihaha kugira ngo afate oxygen. Uyu ni umutsi witwa vena cava, nawo ni umutsi w'umugarura uzana amaraso mu mutima kugira ngo aterwe ajyanwe mu bihaha. Hanyuma uyu ni umutsi w'umujyana, ni nawo umutsi w'umujyana munini mu mubiri wacu witwa aorta. Aorta ni umutsi ujyana amaraso mu bice byose by'umubiri wacu.
Let's start on the left side of my heart. That comes from the pulmonary artery and goes into the left atrium and also in the left ventricle. And then when the heart pumps, this blood comes into the aorta, and aorta pumps this blood to all parts of our body.
Iyi mitsi ubona hano ni umutsi w'umugarura uzana amaraso mu mutima. Uyu mutsi uzana amaraso meza afite oxygene ukazana muri iki gice cya right auricle. Uyu muyoboro mubona hano yamanura amaha akamanuka akaza muri iki gice cya right ventricle. Iyo ageze hano umutima urayatera ukazamukira muri uyu mutsi gutya ujya no mu bindi bice by'umubiri.
And our blood transports many things like nutrients. And the nutrients that the blood transport, there is also glucose. And glucose gives us energy. So when glucose is being burnt by oxygen, the carbon dioxide is produced. And when carbon dioxide is mixed with the oxygenated blood, the blood becomes the oxygenated blood. And then this blood needs to come back to the heart and goes into the lung to take oxygen so that it can continue being oxygenated blood.
Amaraso ajyanwa n'uyu mutsi aba agiye mu bice by'umubiri byose. Noneho amaraso aba agenda atwaye intungamubiri. Noneho umubiri wacu uko ukomeza ukora ugakoresha intungamubiri, amaraso akageza aho yanduye. Icyo gihe amaraso akenera kongera kugaruka mu mutima kugira ngo uyatere uyohereze ku bihaha ufata oxygene ngo ahinduke neza.
Here we have 2 vena cavas. There is superior and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings the blood from upper parts of our body, like from the head. And then inferior vena cava brings the blood from lower parts of our body, like from the legs and feet. And this blood meets here in the right atrium and goes in the right ventricle. When the heart pumps again, this blood goes into the pulmonary artery and goes in the lungs to take oxygen.
hano dufite imitsi ibiri. Uyu mutsi w'umugarura witwa superior vena cava. Uzana amaraso uyashyira muri iki gice, kuko uwo hejuru ufata amaraso yo mu bice byo hejuru, mu mutwe, amaboko ndetse n'ibindi, ukayazana ukayakusanyiriza muri iki gice cya right auricle. Hanyuma n'uyu mutsi wo hasi umutima ukayatera ukayohereza mu bihaha, ukajyanwa n'uyu mutsi witwa pulmonary artery. Ni umutsi w'umujyana, babibabwiye ujyana amaraso mu bihaha. Iyo ageze mu bihaha niho hahandi twinjiza umwuka w'imbere duhumetse n'imbere twinjije oxygene, yagera mu bihaha ugasangayo aya maraso yagezeyo yanduye, hanyuma amaraso agapikinga oxygene akarekura carbon dioxide, ariho hahandi iyo carbon dioxide isigaye mu bihaha niyo uhumeka hanze umwuka mubi.
Thank you.
Iyo niyo
murakoze cyane. Hari ababyeyi bafite ikibazo cyangwa aha? Thank you. Reka tubanze tuhereze uriya mwanya.
We are human beings that find the oxygenated blood.
He's asking
He is asking where do we get oxygenated blood from?
When we breathe in oxygen, the oxygen mixes with the blood, which is deoxygenated. And then this blood comes through this pulmonary artery. And the heart pumps it and transport many things like nutrients, hormones, and so on.
iyo oxygene igeze mu bihaha, aya maraso nayo aba ari mu bihaha afata oxygene akarekura carbon agahinduka amaraso meza. Ni ibintu bikomeza na process rero. Hari ikindi kibazo?
I would like to support those guys because they are going to face such kind of question in the examinations. And I think the terms they are using to face in the exam, I didn't even understand anyone from them. How do you call those two types of blood saturation terminology? How do you call them?
There is more circulation and systematic circulation.
Can you please differentiate them from me briefly?
Systematic circulation takes place between lung, heart, and all parts of the body. And then small circulation takes part between lungs, heart.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
murakoze cyane.